today we're gonna how to make rainbow ice. And you think it might be impossible, but you need water that's totally not from the sink. It is this bad boy. We needed him. We need this bad boy. And we need some paints that are totally not old. Second, you get a paintbrush, you scoop it up, and get your favorite paints. Oh wait, I'm so dumb. No, guys, no, that's not it. You dumb bit. I have to get new water, so see ya. So guys, you just gotta make it nice and clean, and then you know what's the next part? You dump it all over it. We made a mess. No trouble. We made a mess. We made a mess. I gotta clean it up. Thanks. Scoop it up. Rub it up. Rub it. Rub. Rub. You rub our butt cheeks up. We made a big pile of mess, my guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Just sorry, guys. Sorry. We didn't even start saying that. Oh, no. My homework book got clean. Don't try this at home, kids. It's fun, but don't. What did I do? Okay. Next.